Hi everyone. I just want to make a short video, talk about the call that I just got off of Michael Delohe, the founder and the creator of Mentoring for Free, did a call on visualization. And, if you want something in life, you have to visibly see it, in your mind. You have to do your self-talk every day. I mean, there was a lady on there that said she did it 10 times, and Michael Delohe shared with the group, he says it 300 to 400 times a day. My self-talk is I'm having fun and success building my network marketing business, impacting thousands and thousands of people's lives easily and consistently through education and teamwork. So, what's your self-talk? I mean, do you have a self-talk? And another key thing is, do you have a coach and a mentor, you can turn to for exactly that, coaching and mentoring? I would really like to be your coach and mentor, if you're willing and want to have success, I'm right here for you. There's no cost. We use the Mentoring for Free system, and it's exactly that, free. So if you're looking for a mentor, you're looking for some guidance, I'll definitely help you along the way in building your business and building it successfully. Okay, so make it a great day.